Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'll show you how to create backlinks on Quora app. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Quora application. Make sure you have already downloaded Quora app and sign in with your account. In order to create backlinks, you need to go to answer option as shown here. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, tap on search icon and here on search bar, type in where do I learn digital marketing. Select the questions that is related to your question. And here you will be seeing a list of answers. So for now we are here to create backlinks. So select answer. And here, write your answer. I have prepared my own sample, so let me paste it. Now here, you need to create backlinks. Let's select digital marketing. Here, tap on link icon. Now here, enter your URL from where you have learned digital marketing. Go back to your Chrome browser. And here I have already opened courses that I have learned. Now copy the URL and paste here. Check footnote, tap on done. Now you can see that here on digital marketing, above it you can see one, it is link. You have successfully created backlinks. Now tap on post. So whenever someone see your answer, they can click on this link and directly navigate to the course, to the website from where you have learned digital marketing. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.